My name is Henrietta and I'm a novelist from Cape Town in South Africa. And I'm working currently on a novel with the title Green Lion, and the manuscript of that novel is what I'm busy with while I'm here. With this novel, I'm trying to examine aspects of the relationship and the interactions between humans and animals and more broadly wilderness. And my inspiration for this project specifically is a subspecies of African lion which is now extinct but which used to be very common in the Cape, which is where I live and write. So I think through this I'm trying to look at what the animal world and what wilderness means to humanity, and specifically what meanings we've given to lost animals that we've lost to extinction. And I think this is a particularly significant topic in our current world, given the pace of species loss globally. And in the particular African context, I think it's particularly significant as well, given the rapid pace of urbanization of many African cities, such as Cape Town. I am interested in natural history. I think that's always been a particular interest of mine. I trained, in fact, in the natural sciences rather than in literature. So that's a sphere that I always keep going back to in my writing. I'm also very concerned with writing about Cape Town specifically as a city. It's where I've always lived, and all my work keeps circling back to that particular location. So I am particularly interested in the areas where these two fields of interest collide or interact. I've spent quite a lot of my time writing about the marginal areas, marginal urban areas where urbanity passes into wilderness and where wilderness impacts on city life. So I think the figure of an animal that has been lost as a result of this process of conflict between urbanization and wilderness is a particularly potent symbol for me. It's been a particularly rich writing time for me here at Bellagio. I think probably most important has just been the time and the space for contemplation, which has been wonderful and has proved very productive for me. It's also been fantastic to have the interaction with the other scholars here. I think I've managed to pick up quite a few ideas talking about ecological issues with some of the scholars who are here at the moment. And just having their enthusiastic feedback on my writing has also been extremely valuable. And just the level of interaction has been extremely stimulating.